In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Chrome app from dark mode to light mode on your computer. Now to do so, we are going to use two methods, and let me show you the first method. Now in the first method, tap on these three dots here on the top right corner and then look for settings. From here, go ahead and check for appearance. Now when you tap on appearance, look for the mode, and as you can see, the mode is dark, and if we tap on it, we can now change it to light, and immediately we have reverted to light mode. So that is the first method you can use. Now in the second method, you can use a shortcut, and the shortcut is come on the bottom right corner here, and you'll see an option called Customize Chrome. So if you go ahead and tap on it, you can see we have the theme for our Chrome here. So from this, you can see it is set to dark, and to revert to light mode, just tap on light mode here. And when you tap on it, it will again revert back to light. Once you're done, just close this window by clicking on this cross. So that's how you change from dark mode to light mode on your Chrome app on your computer. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.